Let's learn the alphabet. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hat. Hat. I is for ice. Ice. J is for jam. Jam. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rhino. Rhino. S is for snail. Snail. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for urchin. Urchin. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thank you for watching.